I've read through a decade of your research to figure out what the best investment is, so anyone can get rich in the future. And you've predicted that this will grow by at least 5,000%.
Yes, and my conviction is so high because of what I do on a day-to-day basis.
Is there a woman on planet Earth that manages more money from an investing capacity than you?
Maybe not. I'm overseeing nearly $30 billion.
Okay, so I might have $500. What should I be doing with that?
So this is all you need to know.
Cathy Wood built a multi-billion-dollar fund by spotting trends before anyone else.
And now, with over 40 years of market insight, she's showing you how and where to invest too.
AI is the biggest technological disruption in history. And this incredible rate of change is making people uncomfortable. But if you are on the right side of change, investment opportunities and job opportunities are going to be enormous. But people don't know what to do.
They call you the godfather of AI. So what would you be saying to people about their career prospects in a world of superintelligence?
Trained to be a plumber.
Really?
Yeah.
Geoffrey Hinton is the Nobel Prize-winning pioneer whose groundbreaking work has shaped AI
and the future of humanity.
Why do they call you the godfather of AI?
Because there weren't many people who believed that we could model AI on the brain so that it learned to do complicated things, like recognize objects and images or even do reasoning. And I pushed that approach for 50 years. And then Google acquired that technology, and I worked there for 10 years on something that's now used all the time in AI.
And then you left?
Yeah.
Why?
So that I could talk freely at a conference.
What did you want to talk about freely?
How dangerous AI could be.
What do you know about AI with the seismic shift that's coming?
Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It's the present. It's transforming the way we live, work, and invest. And in the world of trading, AI is changing everything. Now, let's take a closer look together at one of the most powerful AI trading systems in action. Welcome, everyone. In this video, you're going to see real proof of trading results from Orum's automated trading system. You'll see the live trading history, profits generated, and how the clusters manage multiple pairs automatically. This account was first funded on March 10th with an initial deposit of $1 million. As you can see here, this is the verified funding record directly from the exchange. Since that date, the account has been managed entirely by Orum's B-cluster technology, which automates all buying and selling activity using K-based technical indicators to identify trading opportunities in real time. Over the past 3 months, the system has generated consistent profits, averaging between 10% and 15% per month, resulting in a total gain of around 35%. That's a clear demonstration of steady growth, powered purely by automation. The B-cluster trades across approximately 15 cryptocurrency pairs, including Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Chainlink, Cardano, Tron, BNB, and others. Each pair is analyzed and traded independently based on market data and technical conditions, ensuring balanced exposure and diversified profit generation. Here you can see the full order history, where every trade, buy and sell, is recorded transparently. These are all real transactions, executed automatically by the system. No manual trading is involved. Everything is handled by Orum's AI bot. Now, let's take a look at another account that's been running for a longer period. This account was originally funded in January 2023 with $1.5 million. Since then, the balance has grown significantly, reaching around $10 million. That's an incredible example of what long-term automation can be achieved with Orum. Here's the spot order history, showing trades from the last 6 months. You can see active trading in assets such as XRP, Toncoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. The strategy runs continuously, optimizing entries and exits using real-time market data. Every trade is time-stamped and verifiable directly from the exchange, proving these are genuine live results. Orum's AI-driven B-cluster is a fully automated trading system that combines advanced technical analysis with live execution across multiple exchanges. It's transparent, consistent, and built for real performance, not back-testing or simulation. This is what real proof of trading looks like. This is Orum, the future of intelligent automated trading.
Did you know that in the world of investments, it's important not only to earn but also to preserve your assets? Orum is not just a platform, it's an entire ecosystem that combines advanced financial tools with reliable data protection. We are your personal financial mentor, where security and innovation go hand in hand. With Orum, you gain access to a unique ecosystem, including a non-custodial Web 3.0 wallet, the AI Trader EX system for automated trading powered by artificial intelligence, and analytics to support your investments every step of the way. Orum is not only about trading convenience, but also about multi-layered asset protection, thanks to cutting-edge encryption technologies and security protocols. Join our community, create an account, top up your balance, and start earning with Orum today. After all, your investments deserve the best. Orum, an ecosystem leading you to a stable and secure future.